तो बिना समय बर्बाद किए हुए आइए हम चलते हैं क्वेश्चन के ऊपर। तो ये पहला प्रश्न पूछता है कि व्हाट आर द थ्री कलर्स ऑफ द इंडियन फ्लैग। हमारे जो भारतीय झंडा है उसके तीन कलर कौन कौन से हैं। तो ऑप्शंस आर रेड नहीं, ग्रीन हाँ, वाइट यस, सैफरन यस, ब्लू नो। ब्लू, आप कंफ्यूज होंगे कि लाइक द center chakra, the chakra in the center have the blue color, but that will not be counted as three color of Indian flag. The three color of Indian flag will be counted as only green, white, and saffron. I will mix my Hindi and English in between so that this video is comfortable for both the audience. But mostly I'll talk in English because the questions are now in English. What is the significance of Ashoka Chakra on the Indian flag? It represents the Hindu god Vishnu. It represents the sun. It represents the wheel of law. It represents the moon. And I believe the correct answer is it represents the wheel of law. Next question. When was the current design of Indian flag adopted? When was the current design of Indian flag adopted? ओके, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। बहुत बार पूछा जाता है एग्जामों में और बहुत ही कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कभी कभी, क्योंकि डेट्स जो होते हैं बड़े लाइक अपीलिंग होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल अब देखें 15 अगस्त 1947, 26 जनवरी 1950, अक्टूबर 2 1800, 1869 69, यू नो। लेट्स प्ले सम लॉजिक हियर। अक्टूबर 2 1869 तो पक्का नहीं होगा, श्योर श्योर, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट our Indian flag was earlier having the chakra in the flag, not like the chakra. So I mean the current design is not like in 1869. So I will rule out the option of 1869. I recall that I mean by 1950 we already have the flag. That means options are like July 22nd and August 15th. And the way I recall, if you all recall the picture of Jawaharlal Nehru, he have hosted the flag with like the tricolor. In that case, I believe the correct answer should be July. Let's proceed further. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, what is the ratio of the width of the length of the Indian flag? It's 2 is to 3, 4 is to 5, 3 is to 4, 1 is to 2. The correct answer is 2 is to 3. जो अनुपात होना चाहिए 2 गुणे 3 के अनुपात में होना चाहिए। What does the saffron color of Indian flag represent? जो भगवा कलर है भारतीय झंडे में वो क्या दर्शाता है? Courage and sacrifice, peace and truth, fertility and growth, and purity and peace. बहुत सीधी सी बात है कि फर्टिलिटी एंड ग्रोथ तो हरा कलर दिखाता है, पीस एंड ट्रूथ जो है वो सफेद कलर दिखाता है। दैट मीन्स द ओनली ऑप्शन विच वी गो टुवर्ड्स इज द करेज एंड सेक्रीफाइस। करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेशनल एम्बलम ऑफ इंडिया? भारत का राष्ट्रीय एम्बलम क्या है? तो आई कैन सी दिस ताजमहल इज नॉट देयर, रेड फोर्ट इज नॉट देयर, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इज नॉट देयर, दैट इज द लायन कैपिटल ऑफ अशोका, दैट इज दिस वन। Who designed Indian flag? Very very important question. Who designed the Indian flag? And the correct answer is Mr. Pingali Venkayya. He is the one who designed our Indian flag. What does the green color of Indian flag represent? The green color means it represent fertility, growth, and auspiciousness. So the green color से हम बात करते हैं growth की, fertility की, and auspiciousness की। अगला प्रश्न देखते हैं। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड चक्रा इन द अशोक चक्रा? वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन। इट रिप्रेजेंट द व्हील इट रिप्रेजेंट द व्हील इन द अशोक चक्रा। अगला प्रश्न जानते हैं। विच कलर ऑफ द इंडियन फ्लैग रिप्रेजेंट द पीस एंड ट्रूथ? डेफिनेटली शुड बी व्हाइट। तो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम एंड मूव अहेड। What is the national anthem of India? All right, national anthem is Jan Gan Man. National anthem is our Jan Gan Man. What is the significance of saffron color of Indian flag? It represents purity and peace. नहीं, it represents fertility. It represents courage and sacrifice. Same question repeat हो रहा है. What is the national animal of India? All right, this is interesting one. People get confused between lion and tiger and elephant. Peacock is not an animal, so I mean we will rule out peacock. The options are elephant, lion, and tiger. I'll also rule out elephant because elephant we never heard about elephant being our national element. People get confused between lion and tiger, but again, guys, our Bengal tiger is the correct answer. Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. What is the significance of white color? It represents peace and truth. The question is being repeated. Let's move on. What is the national flower of India? Very important. It's Kamal. That is in Hindi. लोटस बोलते हैं अंग्रेजी में. What is the meaning of word gun in the national anthem Jan Gan Man? Okay. Guys, you should know that कि जनगण मनगण जो है वहाँ पे हर एक वर्ड का एक तात्पर्य है. जैसे जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता. तो आई मीन हर एक वर्ड का एक सिग्निफिकेंस है. जनगण मन, So there Jan means people, Gun means people group, that is the group, and Man means mind. Jan Man Gun Man, लोग, लोगों का group और उनका mind. So the correct answer is Man, group. Sorry. What is the this one is represent fertility, growth, and auspiciousness. Let's move on. Questions are repeated because it's online quiz. What is the national bird of India? National bird of India is peacock. We all know that. What does the word mean? Jan. Jan means people. That's correct answer. What is the national fruit of India? National fruit of India is mango. What is the meaning of this? Is mind. We just talked about it. In Jangan Man national anthem, what is the meaning of man? Is mind. What is the national tree of India? The banyan tree. The banyan tree is the national tree of India, not the neem, tree, mango, or people. Always, guys, the banyan tree is the correct answer. What is the national sport of India? For sure, it's hockey, not cricket, guys. Don't get confused. Though we play a lot cricket, but hockey is our national sport of India. The national river of India, for sure, it's Gangas. What is the national reptile of India? This is important one. The king cobra. The king cobra is the national reptile of India. The king cobra is the national reptile of India. What is the national aquatic animal of India? गंगा जी में डॉल्फिन मिलती हैं. That is the national aquatic animal of India. Not the shark, turtle, or crocodile. Guys, please mind it. It's Ganga River dolphin. What is the national insect of India? The butterfly is the national insect of India. लेकिन it's ladybird no, honeybee no, Indian swallowtail and red parrot butterfly. Guys, Indian swallowtail butterfly is the correct answer. And that's it. That's it. We are done. Finished. Let's see what is the answer we have got. All right, that sounds good. As I have made the questions and I'm the one who built the answers, all my questions are correct. That's it.